Hello everyone, is Professor Sadiq Noor, and today I'm gonna demonstrate to you how to create PowerPoint and how to edit the presentation, which is an independent project. PowerPoint, creating and editing presentation independent project. So let's start. So I'm in SimNet and the assignments, which is PowerPoint creating and editing presentation independent project. So for this project, we need to download two files, so a file and a folder that has a file in it and some pictures. So I will click on the second option, File Download Wizard, and the PowerPoint is downloaded. Now I have to click Download. And as you see, a PowerPoint file has been downloaded and a folder that has been zipped. So close it. Now let's go to the folder and let's go and see now we have the two PowerPoint that we downloaded. So the PowerPoint and the zip folder. So we have to remove the zipness from this folder. You will do right click and then you will go to extract all and then extract. Now we will open the PowerPoint file. Now when you open the file, you will see this protection view. So your file is being protected. So we have to enable editing. So click, always you have to do that when you open a file before you start your presentation or your Excel file and so on. So click enable editing. Now the presentation that we have here is just blank. We have to start from scratch. So what we need to do next is let's read the instruction. So this stuff will be covered in how to create a new presentation, how to change the font, change the case, reuse the slides, spelling check. We need to arrange the slide inside of pictures using the design area layout, adjust the placeholder inside of footers, transaction, and then we have to use the presentation property and save presentation. So these are the skills that we're gonna be covering in this independent project. Now let's go down, scroll down to start the project. So step to complete this project. The first one is to open the PowerPoint, which I did open, and I enabled the editing. Next is that we need to have the design area pane. So obviously, it has to be in your Office 2021. Actually, the designer will not open when using your Office 2021. You have to activate. So when you put any picture, anything on the slide, it should automatically open in the right hand side your design area, which I'm gonna show you. So in the first slide, we need to insert the picture walk 1-01. So let's go back, go to insert. The third group is images, pictures, this device. Go to the download, your folder that you unzipped it, double click. double click it again. So we need walk 1-01. Click and insert. So as you see, when I put the picture there on my slide, as you see, the designer pops in the right hand side, right? So that's your designer pane. So Microsoft is giving us a designer area how you want your presentation to look like using what Microsoft is giving us the area, right? So we have to check the one which is similar to the book that has used. So it looks similar to this one here. Click on it, all right? And then if you click, we need a little bit larger, so that would be the one. All right, so go down, select more. You don't see the one. So it has to be in the left side, this one. Now the picture has been adjusted automatically because of the design area that we picked from what Microsoft provided us. Now next, check the box. So this is about the area, design area. So now the next thing, we selected the layout with the picture on the left and larger area for the title and subtitle on the right. So the next thing, we need to close the design area. Close it. Now we need to change the font, the title, and so for example, if you click here, and if you click here in the placeholder, and if you go to the home and you see here, it says the heading is Calibri Light and Calibri. That's the default, right? So we need to change that. Go to the design, and then I need you to click on variants and click the down black arrow. Go to font, and now click until you find Arial black, Arial black, Arial. So click on this. Now, if you click this and then you go back to the home and check it back here, it should say Arial black, Arial. All right. So go back to the instruction. So display the slide one and replace the placeholder with the text the following. So we changed the theme font to Arial black, Arial. Now we need to type the title. So I will copy this, Control C. And then I will click here. And then I will go to the paste and I will click keep the text only. I don't want to format from the web that I copy from the instruction. Now go back to your instruction. The subtitle will be this. Copy. Go back here. Then you will go here. So we copied. Next, adjust the text now. So select the subtitle, placeholder, and change the case to capitalize each word. So we need to capitalize each word. So while this is being selected, you can go to the font, go to the two A's, capital A and small a, click the down black arrow and capitalize it. So if it doesn't work, You will have to highlight it, font, capitalize each word. All right. Go back to the instruction. Now we need to change the subtitle to 24, the size. It's already been highlighted. Go to the font, change it to 24. Now we need to move the subtitle header up and click align. While this guy's been selected, we will go to the paragraph and align left. And we need to move it, so you can move with the arrow. Click here. And then you can move it. Here. So now the next. So I need to go back and check actually where we need to move this. So a little bit close. So I will hold the control and the arrow to go down. Yeah. Now the next. So we need to align the text to the left, right? And then increase the title to 60. So we will select this, highlight 60, align to the left. Now go back to the instruction. We increase the title place size on the bottom to all the text 60. And now we have to select both the placeholder, align them on the left. So select this and then hold the shift key and click the second placeholder. Now we need to go to shape, format, and then we need to go to align to the left. All right. So let's check again. So it's near this. We can move it a little bit. It's perfect. All right. Next. I can move a little bit down. Now next, we have to reuse slide from the other presentation. So we need to bring some previous slide into the new presentation. So to do that, you have to go to your PowerPoint again. We have to go to the home, slides, new slide, and then click new or reuse slide. Then you will hit browse. this arrow, or you can hit browse. So it's up to you. So otherwise I can go here. I can go to downloads. I will go to this PowerPoint slide and then I will double click it. I will select this and I will say open. It's gonna open like this. Now be sure that the keep source is not being checked. Now click one after the other. All right. Now you don't need to the resize. You can close the reuse pane. Now we have to select the slide 2 and we have to put the guide in, the word guide, and press the enter key to show these text as the last item in the list. So slide number 2. That's done. Now we have to go back to the instruction. Now we have to click on slide 1 and check the spelling. So go to review tab, spelling, and then we want to check this one, change, aggressive change, remember change, traffic change, regardless, and then we need to select cloudy change. We don't have any spelling error anymore. Click OK. And let's go back to the instruction. Now we have to arrange the slide. So we need take a walk. Is it the second one, take a walk? Yes. So the third one should be respect your surrounding. Respect your surroundings. So go back. So that was number 5. So it has to be number 3. Number 4 should be wear your outfit. That's perfect. Use caution should be the last one. So drag it down. Now let's check all these options. Now add a footer with a text pedestrian safety mirrors. So I will copy this. So let's go back to your PowerPoint. Now go to insert. You will see the group that said text. Click on headers and footer. Click on footer. Choose this. Paste what you copied. Then click on don't show on the title. Apply to all. So we add the text and apply to all except the title slide. Now we need to insert and position a picture. Let's go back to our slide. Number 6. Go to insert, images, group, pictures. Click the down arrow. These pictures, we have 2 of them under the downloaded folder. So we need this one. Click insert. We need to move this picture, position it. So let's check. We have to move the picture to the upper left corner of the slide, so it's obviously close to what we see here. Go back. Yeah, it looks perfect. Now the next is we need to apply the transaction effects push with the right from the right effect option to all the slides. Number 12, go back, select the transactions tab, then you will see the transaction. So you can see push. If you don't see push, then click the down black arrow for more, and then you can see push. Now we want the direction to be not from the bottom. It has to be from the right. So go back. And these are the options, so click from the right. And then apply to all. So go back. Now you can preview your presentation in the view. So obviously you can go to the view and then you can start your presentation. Actually, this one here. Or you can go to your slideshow and then from the beginning. Keep on pressing the enter key. Next, you can close this. Now we need to open the property dialog box and we have to insert the following. So I will copy the title. So let's go back, go to File, Info, and then in the right hand side you have the property. Click the small down black arrow, click Advanced. Now this is the property dialog box. Now here you have the title. Go back, select the subject, and then the author is Anazo, and paste under the author and click OK. So everything has been added. Close the property. So we closed it. We are back to the info tab, the info option. Now we have to save and close the presentation. So go back, click the save, the floppy or the save button to save what you have done. Now we have to close our presentation to upload and see what we have scored. So let's go to upload, select and click open. Submit. Here you go. I scored 100 out of 100, as you see here. So there is no issue with the presentation. So I hope that you have learned the step how to create and edit a presentation in your independent project. Thank you so much. and be sure to subscribe to my channel and like my channel so that I can create more nice videos for you. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.